Did you know a recent report from Maximize Market Research expects that the Asia Pacific digital transformation market to reach $900 billion by 2024? Enterprises across Asia Pacific are continuing to double down on digital transformation. And IT service management is a critical component to this. In this video, I'm going to explain why IT service management is such a critical component of digital transformation. And I'm going to share 3 tips for you to help you to kickstart your IT service management improvements to underpin your digital transformation objectives and activities. If we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Kirk Penn. I'm an ITIL expert and principal advisory consultant at Service Management Specialists. For the last 15 years, I've been helping organizations to improve their IT service management capabilities and uplift their overall IT operations. We understand that IT service management can be complex, and typically our engagements are usually form a part of a stream that's part of a broader digital transformation. And so today I'm super excited about sharing with you 3 tips that you can use that will help you to kickstart your IT service management improvement initiatives. So let's get started. So what is digital transformation? Well, at its core, it's really improving employee productivity, streamlining operations, and improving customer experience. So steps to success, and Benjamin Franklin said it best: without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement and success have no meaning. So why is IT service management important and critical to the digital transformation? Well, if you're going to have a digital business, you've really got to build it from the bottom up. And this is what we explain. This is how we explain it. The first layer here is the baseline layer. This is really focused at the employees and the internal teams, ensuring they've got the right tools and technologies in place. IT services are being defined and thus scalable, and that employees are empowered and productive and energized. Once we have this in place, we can then move to what we call the service integration layer. And this is where we start to invite all our critical and strategic partners into our environment, and we've got well-defined rules for how they work. Once we've got them on board, we can then start to introduce the innovation layer. And this is really the exciting part, where we're able to innovate new services, deliver new lines of business, and add additional revenue streams. But what we find is that often organizations try to go straight to the innovation layer here without thinking about both of these layers here. What's important to an employee? Well, they want their tools and technology just to work. They want consistent experiences, and they want consumer-like experiences. They also want self-help and search functionality. They also think that online support and chat is something that they just want to use. They also know that they want to be able to have expertise when they need it, and that everything that they're using is from trusted sources of information. So we start to think about that. How does that then convey into IT service management? So certainly simple consumer-like service catalogs and experiences. We're able to be able to respond quickly to employee needs through really well-defined and mature incident management and request management. Self-service is just broader than IT. We have a single and a central way of being able to provide a self-service through our online portals. We want to be able to onboard and offboard employees as quickly as possible and as seamlessly as possible. And then finally, being able to provide a variety of support channels. Now, all of these here all tie up to fundamental components of IT service management. Let's take a quick look. So, how do you include a focus on IT service management as part of your digital transformation? Let's have a look. Number 1, you must understand your current maturity. And this is really doing a snapshot and assessment and just getting real about where you're at in terms of maturity and in contrast to good practices. Number 2, develop an ITSM vision and strategy. Now, we've got a number of videos really around creating a vision and a strategy on our YouTube channel, so feel free to go and check those out as well. but it's fundamental that you have a vision and that it aligns to your digital transformation. And finally, number 3, you need to take an ongoing IT service management improvement focus. This is gone are the days of just a big project that happens and then it goes away. This needs to be part of your continual service improvement. So IT service management and the ongoing improvement of that is fundamental. So what we've got here, if we go back to our digital business again, everything is anchored back to a single system of record, which is largely your IT service management platform. Once we've got that in place, once it's tuned, then you can start to build on those other layers, start bringing in your other partners, and also then start to look at innovation opportunities. Question of the day. So how is ITSM underpinning your digital transformation? Let us know in the comments below. So just as a quick recap, in terms of including ITSM within your digital transformation. Number 1, understand your current maturity. Number 2, develop an ITSM vision and strategy. And number 3, take an ongoing ITSM improvement focus. If you'd like to go a little bit deeper around how IT service management can boost your digital transformation, then go to servicemanagementspecialist.com/call and book a 30-minute call where we're happy to talk you through some of the techniques that we talk with and share with and help our clients with. Feel free to do that in the description below as well. Click on the link. If you found this video useful, then please click on the like button and consider subscribing to Service Management Specialist's YouTube channel. Each week we bring you tips and tools to help you with your IT service management improvements. Our mission is to help as many organizations as we can to improve their IT service management capabilities. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.